What's up, guys? A little video in case you haven't looked at the bottom right hand screen. It is 033 and the sub does work. For my Russian Conrad friends, go check my other video out how to install this. And for those asking there why your truck or car is not rattling, you want to go here to tuning. After you replace the seats, scroll down. It's the subwoofer travel that's really gonna make the thing rock. You youngsters think that you got the world by the balls and you know everything, but you're all greenhorns. I'm the Vlad baby, and I'm going to show you how it's done. If anybody wants to help me out with a Dave file to make a speaker box, I really don't have a lot of time to do this shit. You know, leave a link in the comment, make one, and enjoy the video. I'm going to show you how it's done. And you can see the textures aren't missing. So this is in 033. Yeah!
Relax, don't do it when you wanna go do it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna come. Relax, don't do it when you wanna suck to it. Relax, don't do it when you wanna come. When you wanna come.
Hey, don't be Sam. I'm loving your cherry picker.
Relax, don't do it when you wanna go do it.
You see it there, baby?
Don't do it.
It's right there.
When you wanna come. Relax,
Don't do it when you want to go do it. Relax. Don't do it. It takes an army. And I fought a lot of armies, and I'm only one. Don't ever pay for mods. They're free. 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 From me. From me. They're free.
shoot in the right direction. Making it your intention.
Just email me.
Live those dreams.
Yeah. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me with those emails. And I'll send you free. Free mods. No viruses. I already explained that in my last video. Let's get the V up, baby. There we go, some destruction like I'm doing for Discord and Patreon. Cause I'm the Vlad, baby. Yeah.
Relax, don't do it when you wanna go do it. Relax, don't do it
When you wanna do it. Time, place,
don't do it
pain.
when you wanna go do it. Relax, don't do it.
Tell me.
Okay, children, time to get your coloring books and crayons out.